Hi there. Do you know how to make not blowing through your retirement funds simple? Well, by the end of this video, I'm going to share one of the best ways to do just that before you go signing on any dotted line. My name is Michael Malone, and for up-to-date annuity advice, do be sure to subscribe to my channel here, and then also be sure to click on that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload other new videos as well. Now, what I would share with you in regards to not blowing through your retirement funds, one of the first tools that you would look at in regards to that is something called an income annuity investment. So an income annuity investment, and really the part of that income annuity investment that is really going to address what we're going to chat about here for just a little bit of not blowing through your retirement funds is a benefit in those annuities typically called guaranteed retirement income. So again, first thing I want to share with you here in regards to not blowing through your retirement funds is this guaranteed retirement income benefit that you typically find inside of an income annuity investment. Now, let me just describe a little bit what I mean by guaranteed retirement income. Guaranteed retirement income, when you look at it inside of an income annuity investment, really means that once you turn on that guaranteed retirement income, once you step into retirement, that guaranteed retirement income is going to be there for you for the rest of your retirement, for the rest of your life. It's actually contractually obligated by the insurance company that has offered you this income annuity investment. So what that really means, just to kind of give you a quick example here, let's say you turn on that guaranteed retirement income at the age of 60 and you live through age 80 or 85. 90, 95, 100. It means that that guaranteed retirement income is going to be there for you for the rest of your life. And by the way, if you'd like to have an annuity really designed for you, an income annuity, around, say, this guaranteed retirement income type of benefit, if you'd like to have one designed uniquely for you, do feel free to click on the link down below to apply to become my client. And then I would also recommend that once you're done watching this video, I would recommend watching the other video that I've created called How to Use Income Annuities in Your Retirement. So again, how to use income annuities in your retirement. And the reason why I would recommend watching that video is you're going to get an even bigger, broader view than you are here as to really how to use these income annuity investments in the overall retirement planning that you're doing. So do check out that video when you're done here. And just to make it easy, I'll include the link to that video in the description down below for you. Now, one additional thing I would like to share with you before we kind of move on to how to not blow through your retirement funds. When I was chatting about the guaranteed retirement income just a moment ago for yourself, I just want to share with you real quickly that in a lot of these income annuity investments, that guaranteed retirement income benefit may actually continue on for your spouse as well once you're gone, once you have passed away. So you just want to know that when it comes to not blowing through your own retirement funds, you may actually be able to leave that guaranteed retirement income for your spouse as well once you've passed. So if you live to, like we said before, maybe age 100 and you pass away and your spouse is still here enjoying their retirement, you just want to know that it's very possible from that income annuity investment that guaranteed retirement income may last for the rest of your spouse's life as well. And you may be sitting back and saying, okay, Mike, how, we're talking about not blowing through my retirement funds. And I get that maybe an income annuity investment may do that for me, and I get kind of how the guaranteed retirement income works. So obviously, even if I blow through my funds, I would still be okay. But let's talk a little bit about how that really works. Basically, in most of these income annuity investments, when you first turn on and start taking cash out of your annuity, In some of them, actually what you're going to be doing is really drawing down your own cash that is already inside of that annuity. So maybe for the first 5, 10, 15 years that you're actually in retirement, you may be actually withdrawing your own cash out of that income annuity. But really what happens is once, say, maybe that cash gets so low where there's not enough for you to take out your actual cash again next year, or maybe not even just from you taking out your funds, maybe the market, the index that's inside of that annuity for you, maybe that S&P 500 that you might have been invested in inside of that annuity, maybe that's taken away some of your cash as well. So you've been making these withdrawals of your cash. Maybe the index has been taking away a little bit of that cash as well, and you've gotten down to where there's very little cash remaining in that annuity. Now in that case, you kind of say, oh, wait a minute, Mike, I just blew through my retirement funds, which, you know, as far as your cash is concerned, that's correct. But it would be at that point in time that you would go back to the insurance company and say, I'd like to turn on that guaranteed retirement income benefit now. And then at that point in time, the insurance company would turn on that benefit for you. Your cash value typically would go away, and that guaranteed retirement income benefit would be paid out to you for the rest of your life, like we just spoke about. I think, you know, I would share this with you. I like this analogy. I use it quite a bit. When I look at this guaranteed retirement income and these types of benefits, if you own a home or you own some type of property, you probably have insurance on that property. And within that insurance, you probably have fire insurance. So over the years, you're paying insurance to the, or you're paying funds, like fees, I guess I should say, to the insurance company, and you're saying, hey, insurance company, if at some point in time my house happens to burn down, I'm expecting you, because of the insurance policy I've had with you over the years, to come back and rebuild my house. I've been paying you for insurance to rebuild my house when it burned down, if that were to occur. So I kind of look at you know, these guaranteed retirement income benefits similarly. Think about your portfolio in the annuity. Maybe it's a mutual fund portfolio, or maybe it's an S&P 500 index. So that kind of works typically the way a normal index or mutual fund portfolio would. Maybe doing its thing, you eventually get into retirement, you're drawing down that income like we were just talking about, but maybe at some point in time, that cash value inside the annuity has burned up. Just like your house burned down. It burned up from you maybe spending the cash down like we were talking about. Maybe it burned up by that index taking some of that value away. So like I was just saying, in this analogy, when that cash value gets really low in the annuity, we're gonna go back to the insurance company and say, hey, either by me withdrawing cash out of my annuity over the years at the rate I was, you know, able to, or whether the index took it away, I've been paying a little bit of higher fees on this annuity, so that if I needed to, I could come back to you and have you rebuild my retirement income. Just like that fire insurance rebuilt my house. So that's just an analogy I wanted to share with you, but I think it is very applicable when you talk about, you know, how do you not blow through your retirement funds, and how to really make it simple. And like I said earlier, if you would like to have one of these types of income annuity investments designed for you, uniquely for you, really around, say, this guaranteed retirement income in particular, if you'd like to have that designed for you uniquely, do feel free to click on the link down below to apply to become my client. And then, you know, if you've liked this video, you know, please subscribe to my channel here and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and I truly do hope something good happens to you out there today.